multiple drones struck various regions in Russia, causing damage to 2 military aircraft, a fuel depot, and a microelectronics factory. In response, Ukrainian authorities claim to have successfully intercepted most of the missiles and drones, but unfortunately, 2 individuals lost their lives in the attacks. It's worth noting that Kiev has not officially claimed responsibility for these recent attacks, which is consistent with their usual approach of refraining from commenting on strikes within Russia. However, in recent weeks, there have been indications that Ukraine has escalated its deployment of explosive drones to target Russian facilities. These actions align with Ukraine's counteroffensive strategy, which aims to disrupt Russia's ability to maintain its frontline forces supplied while it continues its full-scale invasion of Ukraine. In Pskov, a city located approximately 600 kilometers (372 miles) west of Ukraine, 2 military planes were hit, causing them to erupt in flames, according to Russian news agencies. The regional governor, Mikhail Vedornikov, personally witnessed the incident and shared a video on Telegram depicting a substantial fire, accompanied by the sound of an explosion. The aircraft affected by the attack were Ilyushin 76, long-range cargo planes ideally suited for transporting troops and equipment over extended distances. Pskov Airport, which temporarily suspended civilian flights, serves as a vital military hub. These aircraft are highly valuable assets for Russia, making them prime targets for Ukrainian forces. Notably, Pskov had previously experienced drone attacks in May of this year. Further attacks occurred in southern regions, with the Russian military reporting the downing of Ukrainian drones in the Bryansk, Kaluga, Oryol, Ryazan regions, and one near the Crimean city of Sevastopol. Bryansk's regional governor, Alexander Bogomaz, revealed that one drone was intercepted while en route to target a TV tower, while another struck a microelectronics factory responsible for producing components for Russia's weapons systems. Additionally, a fuel depot in Kaluga suffered damage in another attack, further disrupting Russia's logistical support for its military operations.